Hello, Parrot. How are you? I'm good. I hope you are too. I hope you had a great day yesterday. I wonder who made a shaker. If you did, I wonder if you decorated it with lots of lovely things and sparkly things, or if you painted a pattern on it, or if you just left it plain. It doesn't really matter. I'd love to see some photographs of them. Did you use them to play along with some music? That would be lovely to see if you have a video of that. So today, it's Friday, and we're going to look at a letter, and we're going to look at the letter S. 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 Lots of things begin with the letter S. We've got the sun. Can you see? There's a plate with the sun painted on it. We've got the letter S. We've got, what are these? We've got some socks. There are 4 of these, so they're not my socks. They're a little bit too small to be my socks too. Look on the bottom. They've got a little paw print with some rubber on it. They're actually my dog's socks because he doesn't like to go on the pavements when they're too hot to put his paws on because his paws could burn. So he has 4 socks to go on his feet. He doesn't always like to wear them, so I leave it up to him. But socks. Then we have a scarf. Look, a lovely scarf. That begins with S. Scarf. And last of all, we have a paper snake. Paper snake. Why is he white? Well, there's a little story to that. Sammy the snake was slithering along in the cool grass one summer's day. He liked people, so he liked to be close to people. Not everybody liked to see him, so he was aware and he kept his distance. But one day his curiosity got the better of him. He could hear some noise going on in one of the gardens that he was slithering by. And it sounded like such fun, he wanted to go and have a look. So Sammy slithered silently through the hedge and he slithered silently across the grass. And then he stopped and looked. There was a man and he was singing happily. He had something next to him that was making all this noise, but it was a lovely noise of music. And as Sammy looked and wondered where the noise was coming from and what it was, he realised that the man was painting a fence, and he was painting his fence white. Now, Sammy was actually quite a friendly grass snake, but he was a very big grass snake. And because he was so curious about the noise, he forgot that sometimes people don't like snakes. So as his curiosity got the better of him and he went closer to investigate the thing that was making all the noise, the man turned and went, "Oh!" and he dropped his paint pot that was full of white paint. Well, I don't know who was more nervous, the man or the snake with the paint pot on his head. The man ran into the house and said, "Snake, snake, snake!" And Sammy was left with the paint pot and the white paint dripping all over him. The man's friend came out and said, "It's only a grass snake, and look, he's not green anymore, he's white." And he took the paint pot off the grass snake, and Sammy looked up very gratefully. And the man said, "Don't worry, I will get you cleaned up." And the man very carefully picked Sammy and put him somewhere safe so that the man could then clean him up and get the white paint off him. So here is a little model of Sammy who's just had the white paint pot spilt all over him. Have a great weekend, guys, and I will see you next week.